Friends, are you ready? We're going to make a bunny wreath out of these dusters from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I start with 2 of these dusters, and all you're going to do is twist the handles off. They unscrew. I know. Who knew? Well, I did. But anyways, so I have 2 of them, and I'm going to unscrew the handle for both of them. Easy peasy. It takes just a little bit of effort and you'll get there. It's fine. And then I have first thing I did was I bent one of them because I thought there is nothing better than a bunny ear that's kind of bent, one of them. Whew, cute. Anyways, so then I have this round circle wreath from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is I am letting the duster overhang to the center of that wreath, okay? And I'm using zip ties, and I'm just zip tying them to the wreath. There's a reason why we let that duster, though, overhang, and you'll see that in a minute. But I put, I don't know, maybe 2 zip ties per duster on my wreath. It was easy enough. You could do more or less, whatever you think is comfortable. Just make sure they're secure. Perfect. Now, this is why you let it overhang. That end of that duster, I'm going to fold it up or bend it up so that it goes over the wreath. So it's like secure even further. I know, right? So we're going to keep doing that. Perfect. Make sure that's really down. You don't want it to be sticking out. You don't want anybody getting hurt. And then you want to cut off the excess zip ties. Perfect. Then we're going to use some more dusters. These are like the Swiffer Dusters. I got these also at Dollar Tree. I used 4 of them. I put glue on them. Now this, remember when we pour the duster, we bent it up? That duster now is on top of it, so it covers it, right? I know. So then all I'm going to do is add some more hot glue, and I'm just going to fold up the duster so that it encapsulates our wreath. We're going to do that all the way around, and anywhere that it is kind of flopping, we're just going to hot glue. And the nice thing about this is that it's fuzzy, so you can hide a whole lot of mistakes, and yeah, easy. Look at how cute already. I love the fuzz. I'm there for it. All right, so then, as I mentioned, I used 4 of these Swiffer-like dusters, so all I did was arrange it on the wreath, put some hot glue on the end, and then fold it in. And I will encourage you to hold it for a moment so that the hot glue can actually adhere. But we did this all the way around. All I did was just make sure that it's close enough to the other duster so that it looks seamless, if that makes any sense. But we're going to do that all the way around. And again, the reason why this is so cool is because it's fuzzy. So it'll hide those seams. So it's not a big deal if you go over or if you don't match it perfectly. It's fine. It's fuzzy. You're not going to see it. It's going to be fine. I love it. I'm so excited. I can't even stand it. Can't even stand it how excited I am. And again, here's the last one. We're going to put that one on. I think, like I said, I used 4 total. All right, so there it is. And then all I do is flip it over and kind of muss it up. Now, I was going to put flowers on, but you know I'm not good with florals. And you know also that I'm not good with commitment with this stuff. So I have this little bouquet of flowers I got from Michael's, and they're wired. So all I did was bend them, and then I looped it onto our bunny, in between the bunny ears, and quit it. Oh, and then I added some fairy lights. What? I know. Stop it. Look this is what it looks like at night. Like, come on. Listen, I know this isn't for everyone, but seriously, for those that it is for, what? I know, right? And then maybe if it's not for you, maybe it'll give you an idea. Maybe it'll inspire some other kind of great project. Who knows? Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.